po eh. Pati yung meme, actually, ito nagsimula yung meme ng OA at saka yung nonchalant. Sa amin ni AC. Yun din yung hindi ko in-expect. Never ako naging meme. Ay, naging meme ng parang ganun katagal. Pero hindi ko in-expect na lahat ng tao ginagaya yung meme namin. And again, like, mayroon kasi akong mga issues na tinaklo inside Kuya's house. There were times that I got so emotional, mga breakdown moments ko. And I feel ko sa pagiging vulnerable ko inside the confession room, doon ko rin siguro na-touch yung mga lives ng tao in the outside world. Because a lot of people understand what I was going through. And a lot of people were going through the same thing I was feeling. So parang, isa yun sa parang hindi ko in-expect na I was able to connect with a lot of people in the outside world. Kasi, again, lahat kami, pag nasa loob kami ng bahay ni Kuya, may sarili kaming mundo doon. Hindi talaga namin naririnig yung noises in the outside world. So, sobrang na-overwhelmed talaga akong paglabas ko na parang, shocks, ang dami nilang alam tungkol sa akin. Tapos nakita na nila yung mga breakdown moments ko na ginagaya nila. Tinatanong nila kung okay pa ba ako, kung tumingin na ba ako ng psychiatrist or whatsoever. But again, I think that was still part of the journey inside PBB, and it shaped me as the person I am right now. So, whatever happened inside, no regrets, kahit 3 weeks lang po ako. Kasi sa 3 weeks na yun, as a housemate, sobrang dami rin naging blessings sa outside world after.
More blessings pa yan, for sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sharing your story with us.